Sa agarwood farming po, hindi assurance kapag marami kang naitanim, marami kang aanihin. It does not work that way. You need a proven technology that can assure you that you will have a sustainable harvest, sure harvest, that what you do to your trees will really produce agarwood resin acceptable in our market. Dahil kung ganun lang pala kadali mag-produce ng agarwood in cultivation, ay hindi po ganun kataas ang presyo ngayon. At wala na po tayong puwang sa market. Because Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, and other Asian countries has been in agarwood farming for more than 30 years. Saan tayo lulugar if they had been successful in producing agarwood in cultivation? Wala po. But since only few get it, konti lang po ang naging successful sa agarwood farming in these countries. Konti pa rin ang supply. And we are so lucky because we get Wichawa, one of the most trusted agarwood supplier in Thailand. The first man who invented a inducer to produce agarwood that is really acceptable in Arab market is helping us Filipinos how to become successful agarwood farmer. So that is the one from bottom to up. That's already 1 million. Itong patunay with proper technology, pwedeng maging 1,000,000 isang kahoy.
Sa uban.
Ngano?
Mahal siya.
Dugay na.
Kaya dako na siya na forma.
9 years na siya ng formation. What I mean, nabenta na kasi niya. So that's the proof that it can be resold that much. But these are only million trees. Matagal na din yan. But this is already worth million also. Okay.
This one is more expensive than that one.
This one is more expensive. Why? Why, brother?
You see the hole, it's different.
It's big hole.
You see, if you plant the tree and you have fat bark like this, it will be good to produce
Agarwood?
good quality agarwood.
Dahil sa kay Wichawa na technology po, it is proven for more than 25 years. 100% susunod ka lang sa proseso. Ang isang 9 to 10 years old trees can make you earn at least 500,000 per tree.